This video explains to you a replacement for our German cab squix4 power board. First, put the case of this printer. The left cover is opened. Then put the main board. Disassemble from the fixing screw hole of the power board. Finally, take the right cover apart. This is a situation after dismantling. After opening, the overall printer looks like this. Then take out the cab power board. Install the holes. This is the plug-in power cord, and this is the switch. Align these two holes. Wear it in. The power board is positioned, fixing screw. Take out the tool. There is a screw hole directly above. It has a screw on top. There are 3 screws on the side to fix it. Hold it in place. The power board is installed. Now let's organize the wiring harnesses. After the wiring harness is sorted out, plug the cable of the power supply into the power board. This cable powers the main board. There is a power supply on the front end of the printer. It is also plugged into the power strip. After the line is connected, install the main board. The main board also has directions. The interface is aligned with some holes of the fuselage. It is fixed directly with the power strip. There are mainly for screws. Fix the screw. Main board fixed. Align the wiring harness to the hole. Plug it in. After it is installed, connect the power cord, power on, and test it. Connect the power cord. Turn on the power switch. Check the status of the display screen. Show printhead open. Because the printhead does open, it means that the power strip is working normally. Now install the side cover and the machine cover back. It is connected to the display screen. There's a groove here. Jam display. These 3 holes align this card slot. Press down with a little force. There are 3 screws to fix it. Tighten the screws. Right cover installation completed. Install the cover on the left again. Take out random included tools. There are 2 latches under the left cover. Align the 2 holes of the fuselage. Fix with these 2 screws. Replace the power board. Reset complete.